Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are doing well. Dear students, what do we have today? We have got our mathematics of class prep. Okay, what do we have? We have got our mathematics class prep. It's have got very nice title page. There is a girl and a boy, and we have got shapes over here, and plus minus is equal to. Here we have got counting, so it's very lovely from outside. Let's open it and see what do we have here. Okay, so here we have page number 1. Today we are going to start our maths book of class prep. Here we have got part 1, basic concepts. Okay, we have got basic concepts, for example, few, more, less, short, long, heavy, light. You must know all these things from your previous class. You have already learned it. Okay, so today what we are going to do, we will recall them and we will solve our worksheet over here. Okay, so here we have got the concept of fewer and more. Here we have got concept of fewer and more. Few, less things, more things. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will take the set with fewer things. Okay, we have got sets over here, so where we have got few things, less things, we will take that box. Okay, so here if you take a look, we have got pencils. Okay, we write with the pencil, so we have got a pencil set here. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many pencils we have here? We have got 3 pencils. Very good. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pencils we have? 4. Okay, so dear students, 3 and 4. So fewer pencil, less pencils are on the right side box. Okay, so we are going to take it. It's already being done. Okay, so let's take a look. I have got few color pencils here and I can show you like this. Here, okay, so we have got set of pencils here. We have 3 pencils here and 4 pencils here. These are lovely color pencils. So which set is fewer and which set is of more? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this set, okay, this set is called fewer. This set is called fewer things set. Okay, let's move on to the next. Next we have got flowers. Do you like flowers? This is spring season and you can see lots of flowers out there. Okay, so let's count these flowers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers we have? We have got 6 flowers over here. So in this box, we have to count how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have got 3 flowers here and 6 here. So you just tell me where we have got fewer things. Yes, you must have to try. Very good. On this left side box, we have got fewer flowers. So we are going to tick over here. Yes, you did very well. Okay. Next, what do we have? We have got footballs. Footballs. Do you like to play footballs? You have to kick it and you have to play with your cousins and siblings. Okay, so here we have got footballs. Let's count these footballs. How many we have got in this right box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have got 10 footballs over here. Okay, so on the left side, we have got how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have got 6 footballs over here. So as you can see, 6 is less than 10. So we will take here. 6 are few and 10 is more. So we are going to take here where we have got fewer footballs. Next, what we have next? Carrots. Do you like carrots? Our bunny rabbit cartoon, have you seen it? It's eating carrots all the time. Carrots are very good for health, you know. It gives us vitamins. Okay, so let's count how many carrots we have in this right side box. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got 4 carrots here. Very good. In the next column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carrots we have on the left side box? We have got 6. Okay. You must be able to tell me now this. Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. 4 carrots are fewer than 6 carrots. So we are going to take here on this side, right side. Very good. Have you seen? We did this activity very well. Okay, students, here I've got few strips. Okay, silver strips over here and here. So who is going to tell me what is few and what is more? Yes, you must try yourself. It's very easy and it's very interesting. Okay, how many we have here and how many we have here? Yes, you are very right. Here we have got few strips and here we have got more strips. So it was a very interesting activity. What you are going to do at your home, you will do it with other things as well. You can use coins, erasers, even flowers for this purpose, okay? So you people will repeat this activity at home and learn it by heart. Inshallah, next time we will do the next exercise, next page. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.